friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing another fun soap unboxing. It seems like you guys have been enjoying my unboxing soap videos from Fortune Cookie Soap, and so I thought what better time to do the October one than the very end of October. I apologize for the delayed upload. However, we are here, we are doing this. Let's open some fun, good smelling things. So the theme for the October box for the month is The Show Must Go On. The extended collection launches October 30th at 12 noon CST. Something to note, be sure to check out the full collection when it does go live on their site. So, jumping into the box itself, as always with every monthly Fortune Cookie Soap box, you do get 4 to 5 items of just some of their upcoming collection launches, kind of a sneak preview. It's my favorite thing ever. So, first thing we have here on the top is Come What May laundry detergent, which is really cool. I don't think I've ever actually gotten laundry detergent in a box before, so that's super cool. And as I'm saying about this, I think these are all Moulin Rouge themed, which is what it's kind of based around. So one of my favorite movies, so love that. But look how cute. That's so awesome. Next, this is a Spectacular Hydrate Me, and this is a hydration stick. Oh, that smells really good. Ooh, okay, hang on. We're going to do what we always do and refer to my little notes to find out the notes of the pieces. And the Spectacular Hydrate Me is fragrance blends together citrusy notes, pineapple, and honeydew melon. Okay, hands down, this is my absolute favorite scent I've ever gotten from a Fortune Cookie Soap box. You guys know I love citrusy smelling stuff, and you absolutely can smell the honeydew and pineapple. Oh, that smells so good. Like, and how convenient too that it's like in a roll-on stick. That's so great. I love that. Awesome. Also too, to note, the laundry detergent notes are of sweet papaya and sultry blackberries and a playful hint of warm amber. Love that. Again, some of my favorite notes. Fruity scents that are very sweet. Definitely my favorite for sure. And the next item in the box is We Should Be Lovers Twinkle Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Interesting. And it comes in this really cute spray container. Let me go ahead and give it a little really fine mist, which is great. I don't know about exfoliating toner. I wonder if it has like a not citric acid. What am I thinking of for like exfoliating? Let's look at the card. This is juicier scents of Asian pear and violet notes from a garden blend well into the sweet fragrance. Oh, cool. Definitely smell the pear and the violet. I really like the scents in this box, I will say. Like I said, I think these are some of my favorites because they're very straightforward scents. I know I've mentioned in other unboxings that sometimes Fortune Cookie Soap gets a little scent happy where it's like everything is in the scent and then it's like super layered and diverse, which is sometimes a little too much. So I really like these scents. They're very straightforward. This one says use in either the AM or PM or whenever is needed. Cleanse your face, saturate a cotton pad and sweep across your face and neck after cleaning, avoiding the eyes, or spritz directly onto your face and allow to dry. Follow up with a serum or moisturizer, no need to rinse. Cool. So basically just straightforward like it says. I love a good moisturizing toner, exfoliating toners in general. Definitely my jam, so really excited about this. Okay, and the last thing that we got in the box for this month is this really cute like eyedropper container of the Greatest Thing hair oil. Super tiny little container, pretty funny. And this has scents of pink pomelo, splash of raspberry, mellowing hints of ocean breeze, cedarwood, sandalwood. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a smell. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, it definitely smells really good. Interesting container though, I will say. It seems very, ooh, that smells really good. And the oil doesn't seem too greasy, which is nice. It just seems very light. Not like it's gonna weigh your hair down. Ooh, I like that. That smells really good. Nice. Okay, yeah, I think hands down this is probably my favorite scents that I've ever gotten in a fortune cookie soap box. Like really, really stoked about this box. It's awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing the October fortune cookie soap box. Like I mentioned, the collection does go live on the 30th, so I will link their page down below so you can check out some of these items for yourself. And yeah, that's about it for today. If you guys did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys the next one. Bye!